So we've got two people with a stroller. So I pulled off to the side. Piper's really watching. I'm going to break that concentration up a little bit. Okay. Good girl, Brownie. Pipes, we got to come over here for a minute. Eliza, you stay, okay? Good. I'm going to try, see how tight that loose. Yes. There you go, Bubba. We could probably, if I just had Piper and Eliza, we could probably walk by. Yes. I know. Oh, very good. Very good. You stay? Very good. Hello. Dot, 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 dot. Nope, Brownie, we're not saying hello. Yes, Piper. Very good. Enjoy the beautiful day. Very good, Pipes. Very good, Eliza. Brownie. Yes, thank you. Very good. I'm so proud of you. Good job. Very good. Good job, everybody. Come on. Good job, Pipes. Nice.